In today's time, everyone is looking for alternate source of income for securing their future post-retirement or to add some extra money to monthly earnings. One of the most talked about alternate source of income is investing in a stock market. But it is often compared as a gambling ground or a satta bazaar. And this theory is given by the people who have lost their money by investing into the stock market. These failed stories sometimes stop many of us from investing into the stock market. Hello guys, my name is Himanshu Purohit and I am a technical analyst and a full-time trader in the stock market. Today I am here to burst few of those myths about the stock market. First such myth about the stock market is the stock market is a gambling ground or a satta bazaar. Yes, I do agree with the statement that the stock market is a gambling ground or a satta bazaar. In fact, it is a gambling ground for those who start investing into the stock market on the basis of tips or on the basis of somebody's advice who have got no knowledge about the stock market. So guys, there are only two ways to invest in the stock market, and these two ways are: one is when you are investing by doing a fundamental analysis of the stocks, and other is when you are doing technical analysis of the stock and investing in the market. If you are investing in the market other than these two ways, then certainly you are gambling in the stock market. So what is this fundamental analysis and what is this technical analysis? So in brief, I can say the fundamental analysis focuses on both qualitative and the quantitative factors. Fundamental analysts study balance sheet of a company, profit and loss statements, cash flow, ratios, shareholding pattern and many more. Whereas a technical analysis focus on chart, price and volume. Technical analysis is purely based on chart analysis to identify patterns and trends. So now let's take an example how people start believing that the stock market is a gambling ground. So what happens is, after putting years of hard work, after pursuing various degrees, one get a dream job and he or she gets a handsome pay and package. After few years of a job, the person have a decent bank balance and very content with the life. Then what happens is, one day when that person is having a cup of coffee in his company's cafeteria, then one of his colleagues joins him with a very elated mood and says, "Dear, I am making fortune in the stock market." Person get inquisitive and ask, "How you are making fortune in the stock market?" Then the colleague says, "Last year one of my friend has advised me to invest on the particular stock. I invested on that stock and by today my investment has got doubled." The person's eyes get broadened. He also want to know how he can double his investments. So he asked him, "Please tell me how I can do this." So now this guy has become an expert in the stock market because in the 1 year his investment has doubled. So he gives him advice that yes, you can also double up your investment and start investing on particular stocks and see within 2 or 3 years you are going to get your investment doubled or tripled. The person is very excited now. Next day he whatever money he is having in the bank, he start investing that in the stock market, and especially on that stock what he has been advised by that person. Now what happens is suddenly market crashes, and when market crashes, it crashes like a pack of cards. You have got no idea where the market is going, and this has happened in the year 2008, and this has happened recently in the month of February or March, when because of coronavirus news, the market all over the world has crashed like anything. So that time, when a person who has invested in the stock market and he is very new to the stock market, when he sees such kind of a fall, then he go mad, because whatever investment he has done, he has put his all hard-earned money into the stock market, and suddenly the market has started crashing, and he is saying that if his investment is of 10 lakh rupees, it has gone down to 2 lakh within 1 month's time. Now think of that particular individual. What will be his mental state? He will book his losses, and he will promise that he is not going to get into the market again in his life. And that is how the people start labeling the stock market as a satta bazaar or a gambling ground. So guys, another myth about the stock market is stock investing is only for the rich people. This myth makes no sense, as you can start investing in the stock market with very low investment. If today's Idea stock price is rupees 10, then you can buy one share of Idea and can start your journey of investment. Billionaire Warren Buffett has started his journey of investment at the age of 11, and that too with few dollars. So it's a plain myth that the stock investing is only for the rich people. So the last myth I will talk about is investing in the stock market will make you millionaire overnight. People believe that if they buy a stock today, then within few days their fortunes will turn around. Practically this never happens. It's true that one can make fortune by investing in the right stock, but for that one need to have patience and should review his portfolio time and again. So guys, these are few myths about the stock market, and these myths make no sense if you are an intelligent and informed investor. With this, I end today's video and will come up with many more videos about the stock market. If you have really liked this video, press the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and Jai Hind.